How to add videos on Shopify homepage with Autoplay. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can add videos on Shopify homepage with Autoplay. So then to begin with, you know the drill, check your internet connection and then open up a web browser of your choice. After you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, type in admin.shopify.com. And this is going to take you or direct you to the homepage of Shopify. So basically it's how the interface is going to look like. Alright, on this page you'll need to first of all upload the content. For that, in the left hand side bar you can see an option as content. Click on it. As soon as you've done that, you'll be asked to define it. So click on add definition first of all. So after you click on content, you can see underneath there are two different options. Go ahead and tap on files. All you need to upload. So for that, go to upload file located right on top. After that, you need to select the particular image or the video that you wish to add it to your Shopify. As you can see that the file has been uploaded. Once done uploading the file, go to online store in the left hand side bar. After that, go ahead and tap on themes. Once you've tapped on theme, on the other hand, you'll be able to see multiple articles. Here you need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to click on customize. So while you're on this page, you need to scroll down right to the bottom and you can see footer and you can see template. Right at the bottom there is add section. That you'll need to scroll down right to the bottom once again while you're on this page and you can see show more option right over here. And from there you need to go ahead and tap on custom liquid top left hand side corner, and as soon as you've done that, scroll down a bit in the left hand side bar, you can see the code. Now what you'll need to do is you need to copy the code. So for that, open up a new tab and don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. So after that, paste in the code. Now from here you can see this is the particular code. You'll need to copy the entire code. That you need to go to your Shopify account once again, and over here you need to paste in the code. So as you can see that the code has been copied. Now what you'll have to do is you need to head back to the Shopify homepage, and after that go to content once again and go to files once again. Now you'll need to copy the link. So for that, click on the icon located right in the corner. Now once again go to the page, and from here you can see there is this particular source, that is media's code and all that. You need to copy this, or you need to select it first of all and then paste in the link right over here. Now tap the save button located in the upper right hand side corner. After that, log out of your account. Once you're done refreshing the application, log in into your account once again, and this might be able to add a video into your Shopify account. In this way you can add video on Shopify homepage with autoplay. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.